Greetings! Welcome to Learn Reminders for Mac, a video tutorial from the MacU.com. The Reminders app provides a way to organize and remember tasks. Reminders can just be basic lists that contain items that can then be manually checked off. Or we can set up scheduled or location-based reminders that will alert us at a certain time or place. It is also possible to break down reminders into sections, organize them into lists and groups, as well as assign reminders to a contact. When activated in iCloud settings, reminders will be synced between all our Apple devices and iCloud.com. Let's take a look at the Reminders for Mac interface. In the sidebar to the left, we have Smart Lists at the top. These will automatically display reminders that pertain to each category. The Today Smart List will display any scheduled reminders set for the current date. Scheduled will display all scheduled or time-based reminders. All will display every reminder from any list or group. Flagged will only display reminders that have been manually flagged, and Assigned will show reminders that I have been assigned to. We will cover assigned reminders later on. Urgent will show reminders that have an alarm associated with them. Up in the View menu, we can set what smart lists are displayed here in the sidebar. Currently, only the list of completed reminders is hidden. Just click here to display it. As reminders from any list are checked off or marked as completed, they will be visible in the completed list. If I tend to not flag reminders, that smart list can be hidden. Below the smart lists are the reminders lists that have been added manually. Currently, we just have a single list here called My Reminders. Double-click on its icon, and we can rename the list or assign it a different color. Double-click on the list name, and it will open into its own separate window. We will cover lists in their own lesson later on. There's a single reminder in this list called Water the Houseplants. As we hover over it, an info button appears to the right. Click to view or add details to the reminder. We can also access many of these with a right-click on the reminder. Across the top of the Reminders window, we have a few key buttons. Starting above the sidebar, we have the New List button. The shortcut for a new list is Shift-Command-N. Click here to show or hide the sidebar. To the right, we have a Share button. We will cover sharing lists and assigning reminders in their own lesson. Next is the New Section button. Sections can be added within lists. Each section can contain a number of reminders. The Add button here will simply create a new reminder. We will look at all the ways to add a new reminder in the next lesson. Finally, we have the Search field that will become much more useful as more reminders and lists are added. Next up, we will look at creating and completing reminders.